Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is Pittsburgh Unboxing Without a Box. This came in a little tiny envelope, and then it came in little plastic things saying what it is. And this is a USB-C to dongle to go from your iPad, which is what I'm doing the video on, to your portable hard drive. And then you can transfer your data, videos, photographs, music to the portable hard drive. Now, I don't have the portable hard drive yet. That's coming. But this Apple, I just tried to do a video on my phone. It said storage full. So Apple keeps nagging me about it. And I can also use that on the phone. So I can transfer everything over to the new hard drive when I get it. And then this particular iPad, as I do the videos, I'm deleting them. So I won't have this aggravation. Now, this is not a Wi-Fi anywhere, not a cellular iPad, but I decided I wanted one that was not cluttered with photographs and videos and screenshots, and just do them one at a time. And that way, this is the one I can be using at home. And eventually I'll clean out the phone, I'll clean out the two other iPads behind me, and then also you can use the backup. I have never done a backup in my Mac Mini. I'm going to learn how. All right, hope you have a good night. It is 71 degrees here. It's a bit windy, but it's comfortable today. So I was going to see Kathy, and my body said, no, you must sleep. And then I got sidetracked with a long phone call from a vet. I'm going to take Mama Ken into the vet after the 1st of August, get her shots, and I get a free examination. That's $100 at a vet. And I explained the problem. I have to capture Mama Cat because she runs away and hides in her cars, and she's hard to grab. So I want to need Kathy's help on that day. And they said they'll call and they'll fit her in. So, all right, I got the stupid bugs coming out. I have a thing for the door. If Kathy will ever help me install it, that will keep the bugs out. It's a plastic, like, sheet door. You could still walk through the door, but every time I ask her to do that, I get silence. So I'm going to have to find somebody to help me, because I get gnats in here and flies and mosquitoes. And when it gets, you don't get them in the winter that time much. Excuse me. But there she is. Speaking of which, we have a guest here. A guest kitty. No. We have guest kitty. We have a guest host. Yes, guest Mama Cat. Mama Cat. Mama. Yes, little mama. Little mama. Little mama. Sweet mama. Yes, Mama Cat. Yes, Mama Cat. Oh, she's purring. Yes, Mama Cat. She gets frightened, but the minute I pick her up, she starts purring. She's happy. Because she knows I love her. She's my baby. Yes. Sweet mama. Little girl. She's so sweet and gentle. Yeah, so cute. All right. Anyway, channel views are 12,049 and subscribers are 583. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the official guy from Pittsburgh, and the official Mama Cat. And I hope you're going to have a great 4th tomorrow and a great weekend. All right, I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. See you later. There's the dongle. And forget if I showed it on the screen or not because I was so startled that Mama Cat was on the bed. I didn't realize she came in and left the door open for her. But she's so cute. She's a very gentle and sweet cat. You just get over the fear. 15 years I've been feeding her. She still gets frightened. Oh, she's kneading too. She's kneading my hand. Have a good weekend, people. Say goodbye, Mama Cat. Oops. See you later. Thanks for watching.